Apple CEO Tim Cook posting this photo on his Weibo account from Beijing ahead of the China Development Forum this weekend. More than 50 global chief executives and Chinese officials are expected to attend the conference amid rising tensions between China and the U.S. But Apple has not confirmed to CNBC whether Cook is among that group. Meantime, Apple shares were up again today, posting their highest close since September. The Chartmaster, however, has been beating the drum for a drop in this tech stock. Carter Braxton-Worth of Worth Charting joins us now. Carter, what do you see?
Yeah, I just don't see what the upside is. This is what I would call the face of fear. We put out a note to that effect. And what you have, of course, and it's good technique, actually, in anyone schooled in the business, so-called, if that means an MBA or a CFA or a CPA or some nice acronym, when things are dodgy and you're concerned about the economy and things that are cyclical, you hide, you rotate into either classic safety names, otherwise referred to soap and cereal, soup makers and detergent makers, or you go into idiosyncratic growth. And we're seeing that. That's Microsoft, that's Apple. And Apple is just a recipient of a whole lot of money and rotation as people abandon banks and abandon energy. And so does that make this a good thing? Okay, it's doing better, but look at this chart that's just appeared on the screen. There's a very well-defined trend line, yes. And it's bounced off that trend line since the '02 low perfectly, and it did it yet again. But the here and now is not particularly interesting. In fact, it gets into that maybe why bother? Consider this, there's some 46 analysts that cover it. My goodness, I can myself only name 20 brokerage firms. And the collective price target 1 year hence, 1 year hence is up 6%? Really? That's not inspiring. I just don't think there's any great, no, does it mean, okay, this is a great short? Not particularly, but I don't see the case. If that's the best we can do, here, look at this chart. What about that says anything other than, I don't know, I'm in a range, I'm wandering, yeah, I'm doing better than other things now, but the final chart we have, and this is telling, this is a ratio chart. It depicts Apple's relative performance to the XLK, to the tech sector. It's rolled over. Apple is actually underperforming other choices one could make within the S&P 500 technology sector.
Carter, I would like to ask you a question about that first chart that you had up, and that is with the trend line. And I'm wondering, has it actually broken that trend line? Because the past couple of times, I'm wondering if you thought that it would break then and then actually bounce. Because Apple bulls are probably looking at this chart saying, but Carter, look, it's holding the trend line. It's going to bounce just like it did before 3 times. Yeah,
it undercut ever so slightly. And so that's encouraging for those of us who aren't that sort of bulled up on Apple. And it's managed to get back above that trend line. So in 100 magnification, you'll see that it actually undercut that line and now is back above it.
All right, Carter, we'll see you shortly in options action. Carter Braxton-Worth of Worth Charting. Courtney, where do you stand on Apple? I mean, the chart, he makes the.
I think he might have even have implied pair of twos from that chart.
I know.
He didn't say it, but he
because
meant
I've been
pair of twos.
calling out his usage of pair of twos, which has been very heavy lately.
But it says so much.
But Apple.
Yeah, and I understand because basically people are flocking to this to safety, right? Because it has been such a great performer for the last decade. And there are positives about Apple. I mean, it is a great company. They have a lot of cash on their balance sheet. They're about $54 billion currently. But I still can't justify how high of the valuation is right now. Even if rates come down, I don't think it justifies 25 times next year's earnings. So it's not something that I'd be rushing into, especially as a safety trade right now.
I often say to people, don't cut your flowers and keep your weeds. And Apple is absolutely a flower. But after this run and its defensiveness in this market, that's what it's been. And I think it's again, I've been more tactical on the market overall. But with Apple, people hate me for this, but I think the stock needs to trade lower for the market to actually find its proper place.
Cut a flower now?
So, well, I mean, look, I would put it in a vase and hand it to my wife, of course. But no, I think this is a flower you would cut. There's plenty of weeds I would also cut, but this is a flower to cut.
All right. Do you use your tractor to cut that flower?
No, the flower would stop.
The
tractor would stomp the flower. No, I'd take out my shears and I'd cut it. And
very gently. Okay. All right.
As I do.
Just curious.
As I do.
Tim has a tractor.